Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna make very easy recipe. I'm gonna make chocolate muffins, and you can make it anytime for your family, your friends, or what, all of a sudden you want something chocolate with chocolate, and there you go. It won't take any time at all to make, and it's gonna taste delicious, and it's very easy. So here I have butter, room temperature. So first I'm gonna make stroisel. The muffins are gonna be with stroisel. It's fancy word, but it's very easy. So room temperature butter, and I'm gonna sift all the dry ingredients right in there. No worries. So there is cocoa with salt. There is almond flour. Now flour and brown sugar. And now, that's why I'm wearing gloves, I'm gonna mix it all together with my hands till it all combined. So basically that's it. We don't need it all to make like a dough. It needs it needs separating. Okay, and now it's all done. That's it. It took me like 3 minutes, and it goes to fridge. And now we're going to make dough for chocolate muffins. Okay, and now I'm making my chocolate muffins dough. So here I have milk and honey. And I have to heat it up, not to boil, but heat it up on a stove. I melted my chocolate on a water bath. Always like to melt my chocolate on a water bath. So there is melted chocolate. So now I'm combining all my dry ingredients. I'm sifting my flour. Here I have soda and baking powder and brown sugar. Oops. And now I'm combining it all together. It's all mixed very nicely, and now we're waiting for our milk to warm up. Alright, so my milk and honey all warmed up, and honey is dissolved into the milk. And now carefully I'm gonna pour it into my melted chocolate. Mixed up nicely. So I melted my butter in the microwave, so I'm adding it to the milk and chocolate mixture. Just mixed it in. I dig my eggs one by one and mixing it really fast because the mixture is still very warm. Going to combine my dry ingredients and my chocolate mixture. Doing it very gentle in a folding action to make sure that everything is mixed in. You don't even need a mixer. You can everything make with your spatula. So our dough for chocolate muffins is almost ready. I only need this chocolate to add, and that's it. Prepared my muffin pan with my paper inserts, and now I'm gonna fill them about 2/3. I got my chocolate muffin dough in my pan, and now stroisel. So it's very easy. You just 145 Fahrenheit for about 15-17 minutes, and we'll see how it looks. I love baking with chocolate because my whole house smells like chocolate. It's the best smell ever. Yeah, about the temperature, I lied to you. Sorry, I was translating it from the Celsius and I made a mistake, so it's 340 Fahrenheit and 15 minutes. And there it is, our chocolate muffins. Looks good, smells amazing, and it took no time at all to make. And you can enjoy them, and your family and your friends will love you for these muffins. They're still hot. I'm gonna cut one just to see how is it inside. Oh my god, look how moist it is. It's like almost like a lava cake, and it tastes amazing. They're ready, and I can't wait to have my cup of tea with one of these amazing muffins, and stroisel on top makes it real crunchy, so it's just the best muffins ever. So there it is, and I hope you make them. So put your thumbs up, please subscribe. I hope you like this recipe, and leave a comment if you like it, and if you make it, share with me how did it go.